In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Sam's Club website flashing and reloading. Let's get started. Start by refreshing the Sam's Club web page once. If the page continues to reload automatically, close the browser tab completely, reopen your browser and visit the website again. This can resolve temporary web page glitches. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause the website to repeatedly reconnect or reload. Likewise, clear cache and cookies for the browser. Click on three dots, select the option delete browsing data and confirm the deletion. Next, update your web browser. If you're using in the app, head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the browser that you want to update. If any updates are available, just update it. Also, disable browser extensions in case you have enabled any of it. Likewise, try in Incognito Mode. Click on three dots, select the option New Incognito tab. Now type in Sam's Club and navigate to its official website. From here, you can try to access it. Lastly, check the server status of Sam's Club. For that, head over to the website tab detector, search for Sam's Club. Now, if you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. And that's it. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.